Ever wondered how software is built from scratch? It's not just a matter of writing code. It involves a systematic process known as the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC. This process is all about designing, creating, testing, and maintaining software systems. Imagine the life cycle as a journey with several stops. The first stop is requirements gathering and analysis. Here, the development team works with stakeholders to understand what the software should do. They define its purpose, features, and functionality, documenting all requirements. Feasibility studies might also be conducted to assess whether the project is viable. The second stop on this journey is system design. Think of it as creating a blueprint for the software. Architects design the structure of the system, its components, modules, and how it will store data. They consider factors like scalability, performance, and security. The third stop is implementation, or coding. This is where developers take the design blueprint and translate it into executable code. They write the actual code, following coding standards and best practices. Next comes the testing phase. This involves checking the software for errors and making sure it meets all the specified requirements. Types of testing include unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Once the software has passed all the testing phases, it reaches the deployment or release stage. Here, the software is deployed to a production environment or released to end users. Activities in this phase may include data migration, user training, and making the software available to its intended audience. After deployment, the software enters the final phase, maintenance and support. In this phase, developers address issues, fix bugs, and make improvements. This phase may also include regular updates, patches, and addressing user feedback to ensure the software's continued functionality. Throughout the software development lifecycle, different methodologies can be employed. These include Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, and DevOps. Each has its own unique approach and is chosen based on the project's needs and goals. So, to recap, software development is a systematic process involving several key stages: requirements gathering and analysis, system design, implementation or coding, testing, deployment or release, and maintenance and support. Each stage has its own set of activities and goals, contributing to the creation of a functional and effective piece of software. Remember, building software is not just about writing code. It's about understanding needs, designing solutions, testing functionality, and maintaining performance. It's a journey that requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing support. And that, in essence, is the software development lifecycle.